we're going to try and sell over 500 vintage trucker hats. So I've got these. I'm going to try and sell them all as a lot. So I posted them on Kijiji. So we've got all of these hats. We've got, some of them are dirty, and there's damage. Here's bundles in plastic of lots of 20. So it's just 20 and 25. And we've got, these are vintage corduroy. So there's two different kinds. These are full corduroy. There's like a whole case. And then there's more of these with a mesh back. And it's a little different embroidered logo. I think a guy could put a patch over that and you'd have a pretty nice hat. A bunch of these orange hunting hats. They're vintage ones, old ones. Just mixes of just different types of hats, right? Patches. Baseball. Mostly they're trucker hats, but there is some baseball ones. These ones are new, old stock, embroidered. Pretty nice. What's the date on that? 1994. So that is a lot of hats. We have calculated like there's over 500 hats. So we're trying to just sell them as a lot. Maybe we'll go into Whatnot and do it. And that was kind of an original plan, but you got to ease into something new. And so I don't think 500 hats is a good way to start, maybe. Okay, well, that's the hats.